There will always be more data, and there will always be more you can do with it. This is where the Data Alliance comes in. We're part of WPP, but not an operating company. We don't build or sell anything. We provide a service. Our clients, the operating companies, big and small. Our business, help WPP access and leverage data. We find the data you need and make sure it's connected to the WPP network, easy to reach and easy to use. We track the growing data assets and capabilities in WPP, so you don't have to. We introduce you to the right experts and partners for pitches and projects. From shaping data visions to supporting data conversations, we offer neutral, sound ideas to help you make informed decisions. Our ultimate goal is no more ups and downs, bottlenecks, doubling up, or speed bumps. Just a smooth, efficient network of data and capabilities. We call it Data Horizontality. The Data Alliance, empowering you in the age of data-driven marketing.